we go.
Myself.
Good judge.
Mr. Hunt, are you
Yes.
here on Penhall?
I'm sorry?
Which case are you here on?
Dealey Zimmerman versus Jaya Zeeland.
Good judge.
I didn't hear you, Ms. Rouse. All right.
Here we go. I think it was playing in the background. I'm sorry, it does sometimes.
Okay, Mr. Hunt, that hearing will be held in a few minutes. I ask that you keep yourself on mute here for a minute while I take care of DC 20 12526 Penhall Company versus Kenneth Adam Scarborough. Counsel, and this applies also to the motion to reinstate that will be forthcoming. Although these proceedings are being conducted over the Zoom platform and therefore by remote participation, these are formal proceedings in the 95th District Court. The public, therefore, according to the open courts provision of the Texas Constitution, has access to this proceeding, and specifically the public has been given notice and has a specific opportunity to object to the relief sought in DC 20 12526 Penhall Company versus Kenneth Adam Scarborough et al. For the record, the courthouse is open. The courtroom is open. And out of an abundance of caution, I am choosing to broadcast the proceeding in DC 20 12526 over the court's YouTube channel to therefore guarantee that the public has full access to this motion to seal records. For the record, there are no members of the public present. No members of the public have objected to the sealing of record, at least insofar as it has been brought to the court's attention. And I have reviewed the court's docket as of about 10 minutes ago to see whether or not there were any objections filed, and I have found no such objections. Would counsel on Penhall versus Scarborough please identify yourselves for the record?
Good morning, Judge. This is Melissa Kingston with the law firm of Friedman and Feiger, representing Penhall Company, the plaintiff in this action.
Your Honor, this is Ken Stillman, representing defendant Messiah Specialty Contracting, LLC.
Okay, and we've noted off the record that Mr. Dertensher is not present, but I've noted, as the parties have expressed, that he has signed off both on the relief sought in the sealing and on the signing of the agreed injunction. Therefore, I'm going to proceed. Ms. Kingston, well, first of all, welcome both of you to the 95th District Court. Ms. Kingston, I've read the motion. You're welcome to present it orally if you wish. Be advised that I'm inclined to grant the motion insofar as it has been reduced down to just sealing the agreed injunction. And I'm going to note one other thing. You have submitted a proposed agreed injunction, and that is sitting out there open to the public right now. I'm going to add the proposed agreed injunction, which is filed along with the injunction that I'm signing today to the order for sealing. Is there anything else that the parties wish to include in the sealing?
I don't think so, Judge.
I think that's fine, Judge.
Okay. And you wish me to sign the agreed injunction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Congratulations on resolving this. Is there any anything further once the agreed injunction is signed, which does eliminate all matters that are before the court and the order for sealing is signed? Is there anything further the parties need the court to address?
I don't believe so, Judge.
Okay.
Not from my perspective, Your Honor.
Okay. You both seem subdued all of a sudden. I thought you'd be happier about resolving this. Very good. The orders will be signed. I need a little tweaking on some of the language on the order sealing, but I'll do that by interlineation, and we'll do it before noon today. So they will both be signed by then.
Great. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You're excused.
Thanks,
Thank
Judge.
you, Judge.
You want me to leave the stream one, Judge, or turn it off?
I don't care at this point.
Alrighty.
I mean, I think we're gonna move Mr. Hunt's case in about 45 seconds. So,
Okay.
and it is 10:45, so I will call DC 20-05837 Dealey Zimmerman, Blendon Gray PC versus Samantha Jaya Seelan, Jayasseelan, and Mithran J. Seelan. Mr. Hunt, are you here for the plaintiff?
I'm here for the plaintiff. Yes, Your Honor.
I will sign the order reinstating the case.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I expect to file a motion for default against Mr. J.S. Seelan pretty quickly. I've tried to contact the lawyers in the bankruptcy. They haven't responded, which makes me think they're probably not going to sue me for contempt if I take a default judgment. So
I'm going to be blunt. I don't see how if he were a co-debtor in the bankruptcy case, yes, the stay would apply to him. But the fact that he is a co-debtor on this debt, I don't think is affected by the bankruptcy stay.
I hope you're right, Judge. I was just being very cautious. But we'll get the motion for default on file so you can get the case closed out.
Very good. I thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
It is signed as of 1 minute ago. So, all right. Thank you.
Excused?
You may be excused. And Ms. Rouse, I'm going to go and recess until 11 o'clock when we have our frequent flyers coming back.